Hello and everyone, and welcome back to my collection. My name is Eldritch, and today we're going to be taking a look at my Kamen Rider Geats collection, or at least the beginning of it. It is quite large. I think it is in fact the biggest collection I have. It's either 0, 1, or Geats. Honestly, it's a bit of a toss-up. I don't have the numbers in front of me. But right now, today, we are going to look at all of the proto buckles, or whatever the fuck these were called. I don't have all of them, obviously. That would have been crazy. But I have an amount of them, and I'm not going to use anyone specifically's core. I'm going to use my own that I got made custom a long time ago. So, in no particular order, I might also go ahead and grab that, because it was used in the show, but who knows. Who knows? My driver is quite old. I used it a lot, so it is a little finicky. If there's a bunch of cuts in this video, I'm sorry. It's not much I can do about it. Right, yep. Wrong side. Excuse me? Okay. Yep. Alright, we finally got it to work, and we even have a little bit of a bonus clip. So, we'll go ahead and do the finisher for this.
Drill strike.
Alright. Go ahead and take that off. We're just going to do the basic finishers for these guys, because they're just basic buckles. Not going to worry about it. I do have the boost buckle ready. Honestly, all of the buckles are just kind of at the ready, but I'm not going to use them all today. We're just looking at the proto buckles. And so in no particular order, we're going to move swiftly on to the shield. There we go. Alright, so shield, obviously, just a shield. In the show, they reuse the shield from Forze, I think. That shield gets reused a lot. It was also just reused in Gap not too long ago.
Shield strike.
Nice. Go ahead and take him off. And I suppose we'll move swiftly on into... Whoa, don't run away. We'll go ahead and get the next one, being Hammer. There we go. Nice. Go ahead and... Drops driver. Next up we have propeller. Ooh, first try. Will it run out?
Propeller. Ready. Fight.
And now.
Propeller strike.
Alright, that was propeller. And we're moving through these pretty fast. They're pretty simple. They're pretty basic devices as far as... Oh, shit. As far as, like, transformation items go in this show. So I figured I'd get them all out of the way first. Now Now we have armed chain array.
Armed chain array. Ready. Fight.
Nice.
Chain array. Strike.
Alright, that was chain array. Now we'll do arrow.
Set. Armed arrow. Ready. Fight.
Alright, and
Arrow. Strike.
hell yeah. Got one more, and that'll be all of our protos, and then we're gonna show off all the core IDs.
Set.
Oh,
Armed claw. Ready. Fight.
right.
Claw. Strike.
Alright, and that was all of our proto belts. All of our proto buckles. So next, I'm going to just indulge a little bit and show off all the core IDs that I have, which is a majority of them. I know I got a majority of the official sets that came out, and then I had a handful of custom ones made just for funsies. So obviously, I suppose we can start off. Whoopsies! Don't you go running away on me. We can start off with classic, our main character Geats. I would tilt the tray up, but it would just kind of throw everyone down. Tycoon right here. We got Nago. Buffa. And then we got Punk Jack. I did get the Revice, Vice and Revi cores, just because why not? Was on a bit of a collecting spree. While I don't actually know what these two rider names are in the show, because they're not even really in the show for all that long. We have the two bodyguards for Nago. The Black Panther and the White Tiger. Oh shit. I don't remember what her name was. Lupo, I think, actually, now that I think upon it. I really don't remember what this guy's name was. He was kind of like one of the antagonists in the show, so I didn't really care. Maybe Nudge Sparrow. I think this is Keiwa's sister, Tycoon's sister. I think like Hibiki or Ibiki, something like that. Did Vice already. We'll come over here. I think this was the like older guy that was like almost gonna replace Tycoon there for a few episodes, but he didn't. Two of the sheep. This one was Mary. He was an antagonist guy. I don't think we knew her name. She was one of the ones that died. I think she was with the old guy at first and like died right off rip. This is Buffa's friend. I don't remember his name, but he came in one of the sets. Oh shit, what was your name? Keeper? Yeah, I think Keeper. Dapan or Dapan. We're really getting off into the weeds. I genuinely don't remember who these guys were. I think Was this one Punk Jack's friend or was this one Punk Jack's friend? I don't remember. You can complain at me in the comments. These two I know had no names. They were in the background though. They are the riders being controlled by, like, with the mind control helmet things. Or is this Dapan? Yeah, no, okay, I was wrong. The blue one, this is that, like, firefighter guy that died in episode 1. This one's Dapan, and this one, I don't remember his name. He also died in, like, the very first episode. No, episode 2. I know that because here's both of the cracked core IDs for the blue panda guy and the other bird guy. This was the boss that didn't hire Kawa. I don't remember their writer names. And then we have cracked Buffa. That's really cool. I really like the official Bandai cracked ones because they're actually molded cracked. And then Nudge Sparrow cracked. Don't remember when that happened in the show. I do remember Buffa just straight up breaking it, but just because I don't remember doesn't mean it didn't happen. Throw them guys off to the side now. And now for the rest of the custom ones. As soon as I dig them all out. Remove this. And now, since these are all just like 3D printed, I don't care. That almost worked completely perfectly. So these here are our custom ones. They don't like have specific names or anything. We have a pink panda, sort of. A pink wolf. A red bird of some depiction, and another red bird. This is like a red version of Nudge Sparrow. Or a blue version of Nudge Sparrow, and a red version of that other guy that died, like Ep 2. We have another panther one. Is that the panther? Yeah, it's the panther. That one's pretty cool. I'm just setting them off at random sides. We have, I think this is supposed to be like a shark or a whale of some nature. I'm not 100% sure. We have a proper like orange tiger. Let's see here. We have like another, kind of like a Punk Jack, but not. We have a black-backed Geats. And another creature, I don't know. It kind of looks like a night face, but I don't know, 100%. And obviously, we have the one I got custom like for myself. It is like a blood red version of Tycoon. So that has been the start of my Kamen Rider Geats collection. Next, I think we're going to do our main riders like base form buckles. So hopefully I will see you in that video. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, afternoon, evening, or night, depending on when you may be watching this. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!